Are you tired of staring into your closet every morning, wondering what you should wear to look attractive? Well, fret no more. In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate fashion secrets to help you unlock your everyday attraction. First, let's talk about color. Did you know that the colors you wear can greatly impact how others perceive you? Whether you want to appear confident, approachable, or even mysterious, choosing the right color can make all the difference. So, experiment with different shades and find the ones that suit your personality and enhance your features. Next, let's discuss the power of fit. Wearing clothes that flatter your body shape not only makes you look more attractive, but it also boosts your confidence. Whether your body is pear-shaped, hourglass, or athletic, understanding your silhouette will guide you towards clothes that emphasize your best features while minimizing any areas you're not as fond of. Now, let's talk accessories. It's time to accessorize like a pro. The right accessories can elevate any outfit and add that wow factor. Experiment with statement necklaces, classy watches, or even a stylish pair of sunglasses to make your look stand out. But remember, less is more. Choose one or two eye-catching accessories that complement your outfit without overwhelming it. Lastly, confidence is the key. No matter what you wear, feeling confident is the ultimate secret to looking attractive. Wear clothes that reflect your personality and make you feel fabulous. Embrace your unique style and own every outfit you put on, because confidence truly is the most attractive thing you can wear. So, remember, choose the right colors, find the perfect fit, accessorize thoughtfully, and always wear your confidence. Unlock your everyday attraction and make a lasting impression wherever you go. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and tricks. Stay stylish, my friends.